Welcome, in front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold the power key. From here, you want to select power off, and once the tablet turns off, hold power key again and volume up together. You'll see a TCL logo shortly on the screen. Once you do, hold it for like 2 more seconds and then let go of those keys. As you can see, this will boot us into recovery mode. So from here, using volume up and down to navigate up and down, you want to select Fastboot mode and then confirm it with power key. And this will take us to the Fastboot mode, as you can see. Now in here we also have a couple options. We can reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, basically leaving this mode. We have enter recovery mode, which will just go back one place. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which I think does nothing, and we have power off. Now we'll do one more thing, so I'm gonna go back to the recovery mode, because I am curious about this option, the bootloader, which I don't think does anything. Or it could also take us to Fastboot mode, so I'm just gonna check it out right now. And that screen is on, so I am guessing, because can't seem to peel that off, that we do have written Fastboot mode right under the sticker right here, because the screen is on, and bootloader usually looks a little bit different than completely black screen, and the screen is on. So I know from different devices it did show Fastboot mode in bootloader, so this would also work as a different way of booting into the actual Fastboot mode. Now for me, because I can't really see this right here, the Fastboot mode writing, I will have to just kind of try to cover part of the screen off of the light, so I can just see once it turns off. Normally, when you don't have this stupid sticker, you'll just hold power key and volume up till the Fastboot mode disappears from the screen. But because, like I mentioned, for me, I can't really see that, I will just cover the screen and look for it turning off. Okay, there we go, it just turned off. So as you've seen, this is also how you would leave Fastboot mode, but the one that didn't have any kind of option visible. So you hold power key and volume up at the same time, and this will forcibly reboot the device. Now if you hold it too long, it will just take you back to recovery mode, so from there select reboot system now to go back to the typical Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.